Hello. So on this episode of Small Project Alert, I'm gonna teach you how to make back-to-back strands to just bring an extra accent to your dress. And it's gonna be really cute. We're using a color AB and some specialties on this blue zircon fringe look. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. Let's get into it. So on this episode of Small Project Alert, I'm making some dangles that are going to be back-to-back strands of stones to go hanging on this beautiful dress right here. I don't have it on the mannequin because the panty is completely sewn and I don't want to unstitch it and seam rip it. So these dangles hang from this section here. And it's going to be really pretty, really cute. It's a cute dress. I did not make this dress, but it's still a cute dress. And the customer wants some dangles here. So that's what I'm creating here. So you need your choice of stones, some button thread, and some E6000, and a specialty stone for the tip. So I'm using 2 different kinds of pairs. Let's do the other 2 rows. Can you see the ladies in their aerobics class over there with Julia and her mom? They be getting it in. But that dress is absolutely done. And we're working on this small project on the blue one. But for the most part, excuse me, I got the stones all nice and down. Now we're going to wait about 30 minutes, let them dry. And then I'll come back when I start prepping the dress to put them on the dress so you can see. You see I variated the sizes, size 30 to size 20s to the specialties, and then these ones have just size 20 and the specialties at the end. So this is the back-to-back configuration that I came up with. It's It's a staggered pyramid with specialties at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do now is sprinkle in some size 16s and some 12s just up just a little bit to fade it in. So that is it. Hopefully you learned how to create back-to-back dangles and install them. Oh, I think it looks gorgeous. Just a little sprinkle up and a little sprinkle down. Thanks for watching.